Hey guys, we got a challenge, a rainy day challenge.
Yep.
So we got 3 packs of Vivid Voltage.
3.
Yeah. And the challenge is whoever pulls the least good card, like the worst card. We're using TCG Player for the prices.
Yeah.
Whoever pulls the worst card has to get a bucket of water dumped on their head. So they'll be super cold.
Outside in the rain.
Outside in the rain. So that's gonna be terrible. So let's get into it. Our dad's gonna hand us the packs.
This is Rory.
Okay. They're all the Pikachu art.
Pikachu.
Yeah.
We don't know which is in first.
Should
Vivid
All right.
Voltage.
Rory. Yes. Vivid Voltage packs. Vivid Voltage is pretty good. It's got lasers and everything.
It's Pikachu in the... Is it Pikachu? Yep.
No.
I think so.
Celebi.
Celebi.
I've had good art pulls with Celebis. It's really good.
It's good. Did you be maxing Celebi?
I don't know.
You may have. I don't know.
I honestly don't remember. The card codes, you just pull it out like this.
Like sticky pack art. The world's most sticky pack art.
Yeah, just like that.
Never heard of one of those before.
4.
Roy's the master of shining things. If there's things
This is such off-censor.
if there's something to be shined, then it will be shined.
So, Vector,
Mega,
Swoom, okay.
Halo,
Halo, Yanma,
Yanma,
oh man, Wooper, the Day, oh man, Pig
Pig.
and
And a
oh!
whole no Duraludin.
Oh, not
Let's
too
see what it
bad.
says on TCG.
So, what
Yeah.
number is that? So he got a holo. 129. Here is the code. 129.
Okay, we'll just, okay. 129? 129 on Vivid Voltage. 129. Hold on, guys. Okay, Duraludin. It says around 10 cents,
Oh.
A holo for
10
10 cents.
which is 70 cents. So,
Okay, so the smallest one
Not
to
bad.
10 cents.
and there's a white card, right, guys?
Who is going to get a small one? Tobes gets an 8 cents one.
That might be
And then
the
I know
losing
that I
thing.
couldn't imagine. Well, with Toby's luck, he could lose this challenge too. He's lost a bunch of
What
challenges.
do we have? Oh, we got a Pikachu and a Pikachu. That means something.
That or
I
maybe it
think-
means nothing.
Does it?
I
Maybe
think
it
the
means
Pikachu is in this pack, guys. I think so.
The rainbow
I
Pikachu.
really have a good feeling.
If he pulled
Don't
that,
look for
then we'd be
shine.
like,
I'm
yeah,
Yes,
he's
you
not
are.
losing.
We all
then.
know you are.
So
No, don't look for shines.
there's
Metal Energy, this thing. Trumpeak.
Sableye,
Sableye, oh man.
Trumpet, Choodle, Riolu,
Eevee.
Eevee, Seedon,
Oh, and
and oh,
Oh no, your things are not looking good.
This might be
Toby.
less. This might be less than 10 cents. Hopefully,
87.
less than that.
Oh, dear.
I think it might be.
4 cents. It's 4 cents.
We're so happy
Two
right now.
challenges in a row.
4
can't
cents.
lose
Who's
two
gonna get less than 4 cents? No, just to top it off, let me pull the rainbow.
Toby's
there.
so
4
mad.
cents. No, just to top it off, let me pull. That is the
really
most
don't wanna
least.
get
That
wet,
is the
guys.
most. That is literally the most least
really don't
scented
wanna
card
get-
I've ever saw. 4 cents. And that's a rare.
Well, I'm
That's
using
a
this
rare.
app called Pokélector, which uses CCG places, so they might not be quite up to date, but we're just going the whole
Still?
thing. But still, I lost, so.
Then imagine Finn gets a Pikachu.
What are you Finn gonna get? Does he
Maybe he gets a 3 cent one. I don't know if there is. Wait, what if I get a John fan?
Yeah, well then.
Then you both get the bucket.
Are you sure? Or do rock, paper, scissors?
There's
Nope.
a shine.
No, there's
No,
not.
there isn't. Yeah.
There's a shine.
No, I don't see
Oh
anything.
my goodness.
Don't know about that. I hope there isn't.
Trumbeak, Skiddo, Shuppet, White card.
Wait.
Oh,
Dang.
Yeah.
Mercy.
Joltik.
Joltik,
Oh.
Sandow.
Dude, no way.
Are you serious, Vinny? Let's
What?
see.
What number, Finn? What number?
This number is 184.
What?
Look at this thing.
That's incredible.
It says
How did you get that
$5.77.
lucky?
$5.77 on
Nice.
TCG.
Okay, I
It's
won.
like out of dated TCG.
So Toby
Wow. You definitely win.
and I get in the
Why?
Toby gets yes.
Sorry, Tobes.
Again.
Does he look happy, you guys?
I can't lose 2 challenges in a row. That doesn't
You
happen.
can.
How about you have to do it with your goldfish too?
I want to see what the yummy roll.
Someone is not happy about
Super
this.
cold water.
We got cold water here. Just dump it out there. Woo! Oh yeah.
Why would you fill it up with cold
We have
water?
to test it.
Because
Wow, that is actually freezing.
this is gonna be so much fun.
Oh, Dad.
Enjoy dumping it on you.
Are you ready for this?
You're just gonna.
I can't believe this guy lost 2
You just
challenges in a
gonna-
row.
Toby,
That doesn't
Toby,
happen.
good luck.
I know.
That doesn't happen. Okay, are you ready?
Apparently it does if you're
You gotta
Tobes.
get up high here because this guy is growing. Hopefully I don't fall.
Break the chair. Wouldn't that be funny?
Don't drop the thing.
No, you gotta turn around so
No.
you can't see me. You gotta come a little closer. Now you gotta turn around, look at the camera.
Might as well just close your eyes.
Reaction. You turn around.
I don't know when it's gonna
On the count of 3.
Don't get.
Turn around. 1.
No.
You can't run. You can't run.
No, you gotta come a little closer.
So scared.
Just think about it. Think about it. If you're, Toby,
Okay.
the closer you are, the more it'll splash on Dad.
Okay, turn around, look at the camera.
Over here.
You did it, not that. It even splashed on us a little bit.
Time for a hot bath.
All right.
It even splashed.
Thanks for watching, you guys.
Oh,
He's so mad.
Oh. I think he gets a treat for that. What do you think?
I think it deserves it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on
Yes,
the next
please
video.
subscribe. That would
Bye.
make it up.
He earned it. Bye.
Okay, goodbye.